wavy, wavy. I swear all we do is win lately. Now we pull up in a Mercedes. Ooh, white like a Slim Shady. Oh, yeah. Girl, you know it's all a choice.
What's up YouTube, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm in my car. Don't worry, I'm not driving. See? Stationary. Anyway, the point is that the Yeezy 700 Waverunners dropped this weekend. And it's a restock after almost a year. And I'm pretty sure there'll be plenty of pairs to go around and everybody's gonna get their own pair. I just wanted to walk into the store. They just got their stock right now. Check out the pair up close for myself. I'm picking one up for myself regardless, right? Regardless, because it's a sneaker I love, the silhouette I love. I've been consciously staying off the ugly wave or the chunky dad sneaker wave for a really long time because I wanted my first pair to be the Waverunner 700. So I'm gonna go check it out. Why don't you guys come along with me? Let's go. Look at this magazine rack. So damn cool. Alright, so here you have the box, the regular Yeezy Boost box. And the 350 V2s came in as well. I have a UK 8 on me right here. And the only difference visible is the 350 switched over to a 700. Let's slide it open. Okay, I'm just going to get the sneakers out because as you can see it's wrapped well. There you go. So there you have it, the Yeezy 700 Waverunners. I think sometime in August 2017 when you did your pre-orders and you had to wait for 3 months and all of that. And ever since that, I've been waiting for the release of just these pairs. And they so fucking light. I mean, I would think that they weigh like the Profia, but these are so damn light. Let's get into the details of the sneaker right now. Right? To begin with, does this shoe have boost? Of course it does. And you can see that right here through the cutouts on this outsole. So you have this nice black rubber grip running through the outsole. I don't think there's enough boost on this area though. I think it's somewhere ends over here, but I know that when I try them on feet, coming back to the upper. I must let you know that these sneakers don't come with any spare laces. So this fluorescent frozen yellow is the only pair of laces that this sneaker comes in, kitted out. The upper is very interesting because you have a mix of materials. This grey hit right here is suede and so are these black hits. But then this green hit is mesh, much like this blue one on the toe box right here. And then you have a different kind of a suede on this area right here on the heel cup. And you have your Ultra Boost kind of mesh running here. The sock liner is again meshed out. And there is no real visible Adidas or Yeezy branding on the outside. I mean, the sneaker speaks for itself. Everybody knows what this is when they see it. But you have no real visible branding unless you get into the 3M hits. Let me get my flashlight out for that. I missed this one bit out. So while I was talking to you about the suedes over here and the mesh here, there's a 3M hit right here as well. Your lace lock has a 3M hit. And this gray area right here, the lace eyelets, it's made of the soft Air Jordan 1 kind of a leather, like a tumble leather. So it's got a nice soft finish. And of course, one more 3M hit right there, through which your lace passes. Now, the midsole is the most interesting part, right? Because it's just got this wavy, do I call it wavy? I don't know. It's got this interesting bits right here. And then you have this painted on orange detailing over here. And you have these black lines running through here. Like I must admit that I've seen earlier pairs of the Yeezy 700 and the paint job looked really shoddy on those, but on this pair it looks quite nice. I don't know if you can tell, but right here under this mesh area are the 3 stripes of the Adidas. That should show when you hit them with some reflector. This bit right here as well is 3M. That should show when you hit it with a flashlight or some source of light. This right here are 3M hits as well. And you see these perforations here? Those are 3M hits as well. Okay, I'm clearly failing at showing you these 3M hits, but I'll try and put up pictures somewhere here, alright, of the 3M hits. Alright, so these sneakers retail at 300 USD in America, 300 euros in Europe, and about 27,000 Indian rupees. So the Indian market estimate was supposed to be 30,000 rupees, so it's 3,000 rupees cheaper. I would anyway buy it even if it was 30,000 rupees, but and the sneakers come with a bit of heel, so it's a good thing for short people like me. Plus 10. They're like so damn freaking fine. Should I slip these on feet? Because I know I'm gonna get this anyway, and it's a UK 8, it's my size. Maybe I should. But before I do that, let's take a look at the insole. There you go. The first bit of Adidas branding is on the insole. I'm pretty sure there should be something else visible. Oh yeah, right. On your outsole right there. The Adidas equipment logo, not a trefoil, not your Adidas Originals logo, the equipment logo. Right there. The same logo carries over here on the insole. There is no Yeezy branding otherwise, is there? The Boost. The Boost is kind of not as bouncy, I guess. Bad though. I'm pretty sure it should have some kind of Yeezy branding on it. Alright, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, it says Yeezy. Yeah. I think I'm gonna slip these on feet now, really quickly. So what do you guys think? Are you gonna pick a pair? Rocking the 2.0s. Or is it the V2? The V2s, yeah. Alright, so I have the sneaker on my feet, and I must let you know that these run true to size. So whatever you wear in your 350 V2s, go true to size with that. Go with the same size. It is kind of snug. Also remember that this is not a prime knit upper. It's a leather and mesh combination upper, so it's not going to have a lot of give. If it'll open up with use, I can't really be sure at this point of time, but true to size, snug fit. Exactly how I like them. I think I'm going to pop these on feet really quickly to show you what they look like, tags and all of that, because they aren't my pair yet. Once I swipe and go cha-ching, then it's mine. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think? The stock numbers are good. You should pick up a pair if you always wanted one of these Yeezys. And all the stock numbers are kind of high. It's not going to be like a general release. A lot of people are denying these pairs, and I think in Europe the queues are still going to be high. Maybe not so much in America because they already had 2 drops, but this is the first drop outside of America, so Europe and rest of Asia. A lot of people are going to want to get their hands on these sneakers, so if you're considering picking up a pair, don't sleep on it. Get to the store, get registered or whatever, and make sure you get your hands on these before you get your feet in these. Alright, so let me know in the comments if you plan to pick up a pair. And before I slip these on feet to show you what they look like, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down there. And if you like Yeezys and if dad shoes are a thing, give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, until the next time.
I can trust myself, I believe in now. I can trust myself, I believe in now. I can trust myself, I believe in now. I can trust myself, I believe in now.
So with that, we are done with the sneaker unboxing and review. of the Waverunners. I'm now gonna go head home, edit this video, put it out for you to watch, which means you're watching it right now. And then I just had to wait till Saturday to get my hands on these babies. See you in the next one.